What's up, guys? We're gonna do an update on my Harley Davidson Dyna White Glide. Check it out. I know it's been over 10 years since we did that update, actually 12 years. But anyway, I thought because people are still asking me today, how does it sound like? The video sucked before, now we got better camera, we got better sound, so we're gonna try to do one for you guys. Check it out, there she is. She's a little bit dusty. I got her at work in the warehouse, but you know how it goes. Boom. So, just to give you a better idea of that 2-in-1, right? The Big Radius exhaust system. You can shoot the other side where the exhaust is visible. Hop on over to the other side and you guys can see it. We're gonna fire her up and you guys can get a better sound. Check it out. Boom, there she is. Nice intake right there, custom seat, custom handlebars. We got the speaker system on top, guys, so we can listen to some tunes while we ride. Yeah, you know what time it is. But yeah, did a lot of customization on it over the years. So I don't ride it as much as I would like because, yeah, I don't have as much free time. But that's what she looks like. So I'm gonna turn it on and crank her over, give you guys a sound. And here we go. Ready? All right, so there you go, guys. I hope you got a good sound out of it. I don't know what it's gonna sound like until we go ahead and edit the video, but hopefully it came out good and hopefully you guys can hear it fine. But yeah, she sounds so amazing. So number one thing, if you're just getting into, you know, motorcycles, Harleys, whatever, safety, right? If the other driver can't hear you, he can't see you. So make sure to invest in a good exhaust system. A lot of times people are gonna pull out the baffles, you know, and make it sound louder because it's cheaper. But no, get yourself a nice exhaust system, get yourself a nice intake. So yeah, you wanna do it right, guys. Don't skip the corners, it's your baby. You only do it once. Maybe some people do it twice, but I don't know. Pick the thing that you like. The sound on the Big Radius is amazing. It's loud, people can hear you literally pulling up far away, so it's safety number one, guys. Safety number one. But there you go, there you have it, guys. Hopefully the video turned out okay. We did a review after almost a decade, man. 12 years, you know what I mean? Like, wow, it's been a minute. But there we go. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.